Hi, this is Max from Your Websites. On this channel, I create video tutorials for my subscribers and solve your issues by your requests. This is the continue for Dawn Theme tutorials, and in this video, we will learn how to edit the image banner in this free Shopify theme. If you will have some issues or questions, feel free to ask me by email or by comments under this video. Okay, in previous video we learned how to edit the header and we learned all settings available for header, and now we can change the image banner. To change image banner, we should just click on it and we have the settings which appear for image banner. Also, you can okay, I need to refresh the page because it's some glitch on my laptop. Okay. Okay, you can also edit image banner from the left, where is template and there is image banner. There is some settings which you can add text, add button, and maybe something else, additional text. Okay, so click on image banner and there is image 1, image 2. Let's upload image 1, which I have right here. Okay, I don't have any image. Okay, let's use this one. It's just random image. I don't create real store, but you can use some your own nice image. Okay, here is the store, the image, and also you can select image 2. So just select image 2, and it creates not what I expected. It's created the image left side and image right side. So this is how this theme works. Basically, let's try to change it to something different so you can really see what's happening. Okay, I have some images. I don't know where I have some images. Saved image. Okay, no camera roll. No, I don't think I have some images on this laptop. Okay, so you can create the left image and right image. I will use just one image for this banner. Okay, overlay opacity. Overlay opacity means this darkness for the color. You see, it's maximum dark, it's either less dark. I would recommend you to create something like 30 pixels, and it's basically based on your photo. So just adjust it as you want. But why you need it? Because the text will be visible on the dark background and not depend on the image you have. Height. Here you can adjust the height from small height, medium height, and large height. Let's select medium height, click save, and see how it works like. Because large is pretty big, which takes two screens. Okay, the middle one looks nice, which takes one screen and which is good. By the way, I didn't save the changes I did, so I will delete the advanced announcement bar from the previous video. Okay, if you didn't check, I explained the all settings for my header. And here we have now banner. Let's check another settings which we have, animation. Let's click animation, and you see it has some nice moving animation based on CSS3. Fixed background position, it means it will do some parallax on scroll. And zoom in scroll, it will do zoom in on scroll. I'm not sure why it doesn't, but it should. Okay, maybe page not refreshed. I don't like any of these settings. It's distract your website users from another main things like your products. Now we can go to content settings and let's check. We can select the position, top left, top center, top right, etc. I like middle, center. Okay, and we can check the alignment. So for example, you can do middle left and the left side, or middle right and do right alignment. I like middle center and central alignment. Container, yes, you can do container if you want. If you don't want, don't use it. Basically, container is based on color scheme, which you can select here. I will explain how to use it in another video. And let's check mobile layout. Go to the mobile and stack image. What it does? Have no idea. Okay, let's go to another. Alignment. You can select alignment for specifically for mobile. So if we will select right here and go to desktop version will be centered, but mobile will be right aligned. So let's go to center. And same we can select container, which will be below, which I don't really like. And just click disable it. Let's go to theme settings and reveal section on scroll. Okay. Don't think it's really important settings. And custom CSS, don't touch it if you don't know what it is. Let's go to desktop. Click on text settings. Here we can write some text. Welcome to my incredible shop. Like this. Or something like this. Welcome to Shopify Dawn Theme. Okay. You also can do, yeah, that's all you can do. Let's check if it supports some. It supports, no, it doesn't support. So if you need some adjustment here for CSS, you need to contact me because it's not supported. Let's click save. And it's not supported, you see? Okay, so HTML is not supported here. Here, additionally, you can change the header size. Extra large, extra large, and I like extra large, which looks pretty cool. Let's go to back, go to buttons. I'm not really designer, I'm just developer and explain you how things works, and you can do your own website based on your design preferences. Or you can contact me, tell me your design preferences, and I will build it for you. And here is button. Okay. Okay. Shop. Now this is text for button, which we can update, and I would like to be it uppercase. Here we can adjust the link for buttons. Outline style means it will be with background or without background. I like how it is right now, and we can add another button, which will appear on the right side, and which can be same outline or not outline. It may be really cool feature if you need two call to action buttons. So for example, shop for man, like this, for man, and for woman. Okay. And we have two buttons which appear like this. Let's click save and see how it looks like on our. Okay, it looks like this. And now the header looks like this and banner looks like this, which is pretty cool. The button is not available because I didn't add the link. So let's add some link, click save. Don't forget to add link here. Refresh the page and we have our shop like this. Okay, so let's summarize. We learned the settings about header, we studied the settings for menu in my another video, and now we know how to do the banner. For Dawn theme, this is all settings you can do for banner, which is enough for basic store. If you want something more advanced, you can contact me and I will help to create your requests by myself. So feel free to contact me by comments or by email under this video. If this video was helpful for you, you can find the donation link in the description. If you don't want to leave donation, you can use my affiliate links to buy hosting, domain, stocks, and etc., which will support me awesome. Okay, so here what we have, and in other video we will learn how to edit featured products and how to add another sections and pages for your store. Don't forget, this is the video series where we will do everything for web development to do the basic store on Dawn Theme. We will learn all options it has. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.